Challenge 4 base. Let's figure out the best way to clean this bad turkey out. First thing we're going to start with, we're going to get rid of him. So let's bullseye right there. See if that gets him. Nope. Let's do another one. Bullseye. Right there. That'll do it. All right. Now that we got rid of him, let's bring in Dina. And they're still hidden, hopefully. They'll sneak up and we'll clean out the anti-air. I'll start by taking out the support. All right. Basically, we're just going to take out the anti-air, then we're going to send in aces, and we're done. We'll take out the big guns with Dina and her crew. Take him out. That's the only hunter. Now we got to take out the flak over here. Just be patient, and you will succeed. And if you mess up, like I have several times, you'll lose all five, really. Dina and her compatriots, and if that happens, I just use the chopper. And I can do it with just the chopper. It takes a little bit longer, but you can do it. Just be patient. Take your time. It just makes it a little bit easier. Chopper can go a little faster if these guys are all gone. All right, you're in position. Take it out. 2 more. And then we can bring in our chopper and start doing some serious damage to the space. And all we're going to do is we're just going to take out the men that shoot the air. Couple more flak we got to take out. Right in here should be good. Let's take this guy out. And I think we have one more. This is old air, but stays hidden, and it can prove to be useful. I get rid of all the rest, but I kept 4. Dina and 4 for these kind of missions. You don't get to use them often. Very seldom, actually. But every now and then they prove to be useful. Right about there would be good. Let's take this guy out. All right. Now, we will have to force ourselves to bring in our chopper and start taking out these guys that kill air. So we just take our time. Get these guys lined up. The key is where he is positioned. These guys will both engage if you can get him right. So just practice. Keep working on it. You just have to kill the air. So one here, one here. Got to get these guys. Just don't be in a hurry, and they'll do a very nice job for you. They kill a whole lot of other useless ones, but basically you're just looking for the air. All right, move in a little bit. Okay, take out these guys. Move up just a little bit. There you go. Get him. You got a couple of them over here. He'll shoot these guys. These guys will come up. We'll clean them out. Move up a little bit. Just patiently kill them. As they die, just keep moving up. Got another one there. We're just killing the guys that shoot the air. Because when we bring our aces in, these guys will kill our aces. So we're just getting rid of them. Move up a little bit. Keep shooting. Take him out. Take these two guys out. Take him out. There you go. Take him out. Take him out. We're getting close to being done here. A couple more back here, and that's it. You've got a couple down back here. One here, one here. Take him out. Okay, we can move up. If they start shooting the worthless stuff, just keep moving them up till they engage with the air. He's got to engage here, so he's engaged here, but he's not. So move up just a hair. He's got to engage here. No. You don't want to go over there. Don't want to go over there. The key is the direction that your chopper points. Keep your chopper pointed the right way. Got to get this guy. Got to get these two. Got to get these guys. Then we're done. Got him here. Take him out. There you go. Come down and get him. We got him and him. So we only got a couple more, then we can get out of here. Finish it with aces. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Okay, there you go. Move up a little bit. Take him out. Take him out. There's two right there. Come on. Move up a little bit. Take him out. There we go. There we go. Take him out. Take him out. Somebody's shooting us. Let's just take him out fast. Got him. All right, that's it. That's all the air. Get out of here. Bring in our aces. And put them on Ruby, and they'll finish the base for you. And you just let Ruby take care of them. They will clear the base for you, and you're done. It's a pretty easy way. You won't get much damage. put the aces on Ruby. They'll find everything that's in there, clean it out for you, and they won't take any damage. Voila. Now you've seen it done. Go and do it. All right, let's see how we did.
I really should thank you. Why? Because now I know what I gotta do. I'm gonna get my job back. So I can put you in jail. Really? Yeah.
12 minutes. Yeah, he moved up. He got a little bit of damage. Normally he doesn't get any damage, but it happens. Okay, that was it.